if I get my kid vaccinated and everybody else gets their kid vaccinated, we're going to cut down on transmission within the community.
Pfizer is one step closer to releasing their COVID-19 vaccine to young children. Today, the company formally applied for emergency use authorization to be able to vaccinate children between the ages of 5 and 11. The decision is now in the FDA's hands. The 5 to 11 age group makes up nearly 5% of the state's COVID cases. That's according to data from the Indiana Department of Health. Our Alyssa Donovan spoke with some parents about why they will or will not be getting their child vaccinated if the FDA gives the green light.
Day one, he'll have his first dose.
RJ Proy says his 6-year-old son Cameron will receive the vaccine as soon as he's able to. This after a recent scare where he thought Cameron had COVID.
So, we had to pull him out of school for a few days and get him tested, and I'm ready for that to be over.
And now multiple school years impacted by the pandemic.
It's been tough to be a 6-year-old, and a 5-year-old, and starting as a 4-year-old in pandemic days. He basically doesn't know anything else.
Proy is ready for his little boy to be safe from the virus and to enjoy life in a way he hasn't been able to for much of his young life.
I'm not just worried about him dying. I'm worried about him, as we've been talking about, having not had the experiences that I'd like him to have as a little kid. I'm going to be much more comfortable taking him places, going out and just experiencing things with him when I know that he, my wife, and I are all vaccinated.
I'd rather my kids be safe than have a risk of, getting something happen to them.
Albert Tartaglia says his 7-year-old recently had a close call where they thought she had contracted the virus.
The other day, my daughter was sick and she woke up and she had a 101 degree fever.
She tested negative, but the experience made the little girl nervous, questioning why she can't yet get vaccinated.
She's like, when can I get the vaccine, Daddy? Because you have it. Why can't I get it yet?
While these two parents are ready to get their children vaccinated if the Pfizer vaccine is approved for children between 5 and 11 years old, we know that's not the case for all parents. After recently sharing this post on our WRTV Facebook page, we received hundreds of comments, many from parents against their child getting vaccinated. Some writing, no, nope, and not in a million years. We reached out to dozens of these commenters today, asking if they would like to share their opinion in an interview, but no one would speak on camera. Some responded that they were concerned about sharing their identity and their opinion, worried about backlash over their viewpoint of not wanting to get their children vaccinated. I'm Alyssa Donovan, WRTV.
The FDA is expected to move quickly on the decision with a ruling expected before Thanksgiving. An independent expert panel will publicly debate Pfizer's evidence on October 26th. Many parents have questions and concerns when it comes to their children getting the COVID vaccine. If you need more information, one place to start is your child's pediatrician. And also in this story on our website, WRTV.com, we have links to resources and information for parents about the COVID vaccine for children and teens.